Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this two VPN platform, which is ExpressVPN and AuraVPN. So to get started with a quick analysis, ExpressVPN continues to lead top-notch security and a fast, reliable connection and a large global server network. It's great for streaming, torrenting, and maintaining strong privacy with a strict no log policy. ExpressVPN is to use app work well on all major devices, making it favorable for users seeking both performance and simplicity. Talking about Aura, on the other hand, is a new app layer offering a solid security features and a competitive features and speed at a lower price point. It focuses on user-friendly design and include some extra tools like malware protection and identity theft monitoring. However, Aura's VPN server network is smaller and it lacks the same proven track record as ExpressVPN in terms of privacy and speed consistency. So here's the overall conclusion. ExpressVPN is the best choice if you want the best performance, privacy, and stream capacity in 2025. On the other hand, AuraVPN can be good budget-friendly option with added security extras, but isn't quite as reliable or fast as ExpressVPN. And that's it.